Hi, in this video I will show you step by step how I write my stories with ChatGPT and design the pages in Canva. By the end of this video you will be able to make your own storybook to publish on Amazon KDP. So let's get started. Just go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 15 different stories. You can also increase or decrease the number of stories depending on your storybook to be published on KDP. Now again jump to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Now we have two prompts for each story. One prompt for the title page of each story and one prompt for the main story. In total, we have 30 prompts, which means the number of pages of our storybook will be 30. And always remember one thing, that the number of pages for your Amazon KDP book should be at least 24. You can also exceed the limit but should not be less than 24. Let's generate images by using these prompts. Go to your Chrome browser and search for Canva. Open Canva's homepage, go to the Canva AI and copy the prompt of title page of first story. And paste here. Now select image and choose the image style as illustration and select the orientation as 9:16. And Canva AI has generated 4 different images. You can also boost the resolution of this image if you have Canva Pro. Download. And now generate all the remaining images by following this method. Again go to Canva's homepage and click on custom size. Select unit of inches and write the dimensions here 6:9. Go to text box and copy the title of story and paste here. After designing all the interior pages of your storybook, double check the sequence of all the pages. To download the interior pages of your storybook, go to Share option and click on Download. Select PDF Print. In order to avoid any kind of plagiarism on KDP, try to use free elements from Canva's library and avoid using Canva Pro elements. Next step is to design the cover page of the storybook, and I have already uploaded tutorial on this topic, so you can watch on my channel. Thank you.